your star will shine.
One day, one day.
I believe
One day your star go shine.
One day your star will shine.
One day, one day.
I believe
Be focused in life, just do what is right. Cut your culotte according to your size. Trust in God, He will do.
Bros, well done.
Who are you?
My name is Simon. I'm looking for Oscar.
Oh.
Yes, he knows I'm coming.
Sorry.
He's around there?
Yes.
Simon the brain box.
Oscar, my man.
Simon the brain box. Oh. Good to see you, bro.
Look at you. Is this you?
Flesh and blood.
Wow.
Please sit down.
Thank you, my brother.
Simon the brain box.
Oscar Lee, nice to see you again.
I'm telling you, brother.
Yeah, I don't need to ask if you're doing well. You're actually doing well. I don't get no. Yeah?
But I know I always tell you, the money rules the world.
Yeah, you're right.
It's either you are in or you are out. But there is a no in between.
Yeah.
Okay?
Why, man, you're
excuse me,
okay.
my boss. Hello, boss.
Oscar.
Yes, boss. Yes, the money has been paid in already. Yes, boss. I will come with the details later. Okay, sir. Alright, boss. Listen.
Oscar Lee, you're not eating money. You're dealing with money. Yeah?
You know, Simon, I've always been telling you that good boys don't make money. You get me? Simon, you have a skill set that millions of people are dying to have. But instead of you to rack in millions with it, you chose to shell it. Huh?
Oscar, you won't understand. You know, since then we left school, it has not been easy with me. You see? But right now, Oscar, I want to take the bull by the horn. Okay? But I don't believe in this idea of making money in a deceptive way.
Come on. Simon, this is 21st century. Nobody gives a shit how you make your money. Nobody. Okay?
Yeah, what about the law?
The law. What law? Huh? Simon, the law is created for the chastisement of the poor. Not for the people who have crossed the financial Rubicon, if you know what I mean. Huh?
Okay, Oscar, I'm ready.
No problem, brother. I know by now you should be, famished.
Nah, On a Guamunti.
I will take you to your room, you freshen up.
Okay.
Okay, then I will take you to my boss.
Oh.
Alright? But before then, you need to go to the salon to look good. You need to look like a big boy.
Right?
And not because of your beard, boy. You need to, carve, look good.
Okay, I think I need anointed oil on this beard.
Simon the Brain Boss!
My God.
Oh! Nice to have you here.
You know, I'm crazy bonku here, man.
My God, drink up. This is the foreign drink. From now on, we'll do foreign.
Oscar, I'm here for it.
Simon the Brain Boss!
Oscar Lee.
That's what I'm talking about. This is good.
Thank you, boss.
So what about the client from Singapore?
He sent the money to the skill account. The file is sent to the file.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. See, good stuff. You're a motherfucker.
Thank you, boss.
It's alright. So take 5 million naira and share 10 million naira among the boys. Huh?
Alright, boss. Thank you, boss.
So who is it?
Boss, this is Simon. The computer wizard I've been telling you about for years now. He's finally back to his senses and he's ready to play.
I greet you, sir. I've heard so much about you.
Boss, it's not like I want to brag. But you see this guy here, this is the real motherfucker. With this guy, you're about to experience a rude upsurge in your financial strength. The real motherfucker.
Okay. We'll see to that. Fix him up, make him comfortable and give him all the tools that he's going to need.
Alright, boss.
So run along and make sure the deal is cleared.
Alright, boss.
Remind me to... Excuse me. Yeah, hello. Are you mad? What do you mean you couldn't get him? Listen, by the end of today, if he doesn't take his last breath, then I won't be needing your services anymore. I hope you know what that means.
Oscar, I've been at home. I'm very thirsty. I just want to take some thing downstairs.
Boss.
Yes.
Alright, this is the file. You need it. Sorry, boss, I'll see you later.
Okay.
Oscar, wait first. Please help me understand something here. Does the boss just order for someone to be killed? Because I hope I'm not going to be asked to do so or to bring someone.
Oh, come down. Come down. Okay, let me just put it this way. My boss, your new boss, does not tolerate anything betrayal. Okay? His response to betrayal is always catastrophic. But as far as you're working under him, don't get carried away, you'll be fine.
Carried away?
Brother, this game has a lot of money in it. A lot of money. And now let me sound this as a warning to you. No matter what happens, do not touch. I repeat, do not touch anything that does not belong to you or any money at all that is not given to you. Okay? Stick to this plan, you'll be fine. And let me remind you that your ought to be taking place soon.
Oath?
Yes, the boss always demands an oath of allegiance from anybody that works under him.
But does that give him the right to kill?
Yes. Yes. But as far as you're in your own lane, you're good. Okay? So don't worry, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Be focused in life, just do what is right. Cut your cloth according to your size. Trust in God, He will do it for you. Everybody has a destiny in this life. Only time will tell. Ochake, oge koge buo, chukwu asepele.
Were you expecting me to still remain in the market till eternity? Eh? Why are you coming back now, Chinecherem?
I didn't go far. I only went to see Simon's mother.
Chinecherem. Why are you being foolish? Eh, Chinecherem? Ever since Simon left this village, you have been going to see his mother every day. Eh?
Mama, what is wrong with visiting my fiance's mother?
Also, you are getting fiance's mother. Chinecherem, hitch up one. Clean that much you use in saying it. Chinekebe, the same man that has never come to this house to make his intention known towards you. Is that who you are claiming to be his wife? Chinecherem, when I was your age, I was never stupid. I'm here.
Mama, why are you insulting me? Like, you're seriously insulting me because I went to see Simon's mother. The same Simon that took it upon himself to make sure that we never lack water in this house.
So? Eh? Is he the first person to fetch water for a woman? Have you heard? And where is it done? Chinechem, let me warn you. Let this be the last time I will ever come back to this house before you. Do I make myself clear? Amosia. Oh, go in. You're waiting for me to cook. In la table and go inside. The fiancé. Hold on.
Asunka.
Repeat after me. If I,
Simon,
ever talk down any advantage
that will
be useful to my boss, the double prince, may I be haunted like the game. And may my blood be used to appease the heart of the double prince.
May my blood be used to appease the heart of the prince.
Drink.
Let me officially welcome you guys to Double Prince Dynasty on behalf of my boss. Welcome to the Brotherhood.
Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day. One day your star will shine. One day your star will shine. One day. Be focused in life, just do what is right. Cut your cloth according to your size. Trust in God, He will do it for you. Everybody has a destiny in this life. Only time will tell. Ochake, oge koge buo, chukwa sepele. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your dreams. One day your star will shine. Destiny can be delayed, not denied. Pursue your
Hey bro, what's up?
Good. How's it going?
Man, so tough, man. But it's all good. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna plug in, then break the walls.
Okay. I believe you can handle this, okay?
I'm on it. Bro.
Take a seat, bro. It will help you to be more creative.
Okay.
Hello? What?
What is it?
Dikeh don't boss our HQ. Hey, let me call boss. Hello, boss. Those bastards are at it again. Yes, our HK 3. Alright, boss. Alright.
So, what's going to happen now?
You don't need to worry. I can handle this. Alright? I have to be on my way now. Okay?
Nene.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine.
What are you doing here?
I've been trying to reach Simon, but his number has not been connecting.
For how long?
For 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Like, I thought it's network problem for my compound, so I said let me just come out. And we still the same thing. I'm not sure this is just network issue.
2 weeks. Have you tried to reach his mother? Maybe he has a change of number or something.
No. Simon cannot change his number without informing me.
But that's true. Anyway, maybe just give him time. Huh? Maybe there's something happened to his line or something. Any moment.
Onyeka, let me just start going.
Okay, dear. I will check on you later. Eh? Don't worry, I will try call him. If I reach him, I will let you know. Eh? Now. What?
Your man need to calm down. Maybe like that.
Man, that's Simon's girlfriend now. Our Simon.
Simon.
I'm telling you, where they are.
What about him?
Simon has left the village. He's now in the city looking for greener pastures.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm just coming back now. I'm just, we busy men.
Hey.
Yes,
so you mean I'm the first person to see you?
Well, lucky you.
Are you serious?
Man,
And now. Yeah, that means everything is intact.
Everything is intact. You can come back and check on me.
Let it not be like the other time that we came, you had disappeared.
Don't mind, that the last time I came, I had an emergency. We big men, we have a.
I'm telling you, ego na business.
Don't worry, just come around.
Let me just quickly pick something at the corner. Man, Andy, okay. Don't worry, I'll be there.
Mr. Commissioner, I thought our relationship has gone beyond ordinary. Why would you send your dogs after my investment?
I must apologize to you, Double Prince. I really do, for the attack on your boys. But you know me very well. Such overzealousness cannot be sanctioned by me.
So who did?
The order came from above. The IGP set up a special task force to combat cyber fraud and other related offenses. They are sent to my office, to my commission, but they are not directly under my command. I'm sure you understand that.
Well, I don't care who sent them here. This is my city. I won't have those dogs run after my investment. I want my boys released immediately.
Released? It's okay. I will see what I can do. Yes, I will do something about it.
I am giving you until today to return those boys where you picked them from.
Today? I'm trying to explain. It's all right. It's all right. I'll do something about it. I will. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Huh?
Who is he?
The devil himself. Let's go. How could you go about arresting people indiscriminately? Huh?
I'm sorry, sir. I have it on credible intel that those boys are into internet fraud.
Those boys are no internet fraudsters. No. Those are just exuberant youths who are catching fun.
Those boys are no exuberant youths like you have said, sir. They are into all levels of criminality. They are actually crime syndicates that must be flushed out at once.
Says who? Says who? Listen, I want those boys released with immediate effect. It's an order.
I'm sorry, sir. That's an order I cannot carry out.
Are you disobeying my direct order? Are you?
With all due respect, sir, I do not report to you. I report to the IG directly, sir.
Really? Really? Now listen to me. There are legion of wolves and hyenas crawling around this city. You better watch your back.
I'm prepared to take my chances, sir.
Get out.
With all due respect, sir, permission to fall out.
Get out!
Thank you, sir.
What is he feeling like? Hello? Get me Supol Emeka at once.
Mama. Mama, your food is the reason I keep running back home. Mama, your cooking is magical.
Thank you, my son. But you can't keep running back to eat my food. It is time you get a wife, so that you can enjoy well-prepared meal.
Mama, marriage has been your melody lately since I came back. Don't worry, I will put it into consideration.
Yes, my son. That is because life is too short. You have made money. You have everything needed to run a home successfully.
Mama, you know I have a building project at hand. In memory of my late father. I want to finish up that building first before I can think of getting married or any of such.
I know, my son. But if your father were to be here, he will still tell you the same thing. You need a wife.
Mama, I'm still around. By God's grace, I will find a wife of my choice in this village. At least I'm staying here for a while. Okay? So don't worry yourself about it.
Okay.
Thank you for the meal.
Yes! Hey! Come. Hey! I did it!
It's a lie. What the? Bro, you actually did this?
Yes, I did it!
I've always known that you're a genius. Simon, you have killed me.
It was a tricky one, but I had to bomb them real quick.
My nigga, you have done this. Like, do you know how much boss has spent on some charlatans just for them to hack this website?
For real?
Boss is going to be mad happy, man. I'm telling you, you don't know what you've done. Do you know how much this thing is cost?
I did it!
Do you know how much this thing is cost?
I did it!
We are going to be millionaires. Woo! We need to go out. We need to go.
Okay.
We need to go.
Hold on. Let me log this in.
Okay. Please, you teach me this one because I don't even know this one. God.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We are going to be billionaires.
Yes!
Boss. All our effort that we've been putting in for 2 years has not paid in. All the funds from Sterling Bureau Exchange has been sent to an untraceable account. No hacker in this world will be able to trace that.
What? You mean Simon did this?
Yes, boss.
Oh, this is impressive. This is what I'm talking about. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Wow, this calls for celebration. Let him know he has my blessings.
Of course, boss.
I'll see you guys at the VIP lounge. Let's celebrate.
All right, boss.
Okay? See you guys there. Simon.
Yeah.
This is the land.
I know the land. I know when your father was farming in the land.
I want to raise a castle in memory of him.
That's wonderful.
I don't know, do you have what it takes to erase something phenomenal for me here?
Of course! Listen, I'm going to give you a clear-cut structural design, just for you to believe me. I like the land, it's a table land, it's fine.
Onyeka, the reason why I'm asking, I have friends who can handle projects of such monumental size.
No, just leave it for me. Eh? Listen, have you forgotten I have years of experience in building projects? Huh? And my father was that one from my father before going to study. Bro? Hello, bro. Are you paying attention at all?
Not really. See that girl in green? Anytime I set my eyes on her, she gives me this ghost bombs all over me.
Who are you talking about?
The lady in green.
Neche?
Yes. She's such a beautiful, elegant and enchanting, pretty girl. I just
what are you saying? That girl is our friend's fiancé, Simon.
Simon is our friend, I know. I thought you would say Simon's wife.
No, don't go there. Bamba, put that side.
What do you mean don't go there? See, as long as I'm concerned, Nature, she's still single and she's free for everyone to. You can even approach her.
Ndobisi.
You can even get married to her.
Ndobisi, listen, there are plenty beautiful women in this town. I can help you get one if you wish, but certainly not Simon's.
Thank you, Mr. Finder. For me, I have found myself a wife and I'm going after her. That girl, I'll not let her go. All you have to do for me, just look around and take the measurement and just get back to me. We'll talk about it. Okay?
Andy, listen first. Calm down. Come, we're not done. Listen, don't do this thing you want to do. This is our friend we're talking about.
It's our friend, I know, but I love that girl. I don't know. I want to get married to her.
Okay, please, come show me where the land started and where it ends. So,
wait. Are you enemy of progress?
No, but I have to know where the land started and where it ends now.
Oh, okay. If you want, just.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are hustling tonight. We are hustling to party with the big boys tonight. It's all about the double points. It's a money day that you don't know. Wahala. We are hustling. Ladies and gentlemen, we got some beautiful ladies tonight. Check that in the bomb I give to you tonight. All right.
You know, our people say, when you wash your hands thoroughly, you dine in the table of men. You have done so well for the company. Of course, you have done so well for yourself. So for that reason, we are going to acknowledge you with a sum of 10 million. He's going to give you 10 million naira for yourself.
What?
Yes, that is to pat your back.
Wait. 10 million naira for me? Oscar, am I dreaming or what?
No, brother, you're not dreaming.
Oh, the dawn. Thank you so much. I don't even know how to start thanking you. I've never touched 1 million naira in my life. Not to talk of 10 million naira.
Simon,
every worker has a payday.
Simon, remember when I used to tell you, good boys don't make money. Welcome to the game, brother.
Oh. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun.
I appreciate.
Indulge yourself.
I have to ease myself now. I need to ease myself. Okay, girls, hold on. Let me ease myself. Okay, I need to ease myself. I'll be right back. Okay, hold on. Sorry. Thank you. Let me ease myself. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, sorry, my name is Simon.
Okay, Simon, what can I do for you?
I can see you work here, right?
Yes, I work here.
Okay, and you're very busy now. So why don't I get your numbers so maybe I call you later?
I'm sorry, I cannot give you my numbers. You can see I'm working.
I know you're working, but I just want to know you, okay?
I don't want to know you, Simon. And please, this is not a convenient place for me to start discussing with you. It's my place of work.
Sorry. At least. Okay, since you don't want to give me your number, are you going to be on work tomorrow so I can come around and see you? Are you working tomorrow?
Yes, yes, so but I don't want you to come to my place of work.
Come on.
Oh, fine, if you insist. I can see you don't give up easily.
No, I don't at all.
It's okay, you can come tomorrow if you wish.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
What are you doing here? So you've been following me?
I can't help it. Ever since I came back to this village, you have mesmerized me.
Then leave this village.
I can't leave the village without you. I want to marry you. I love you. I want to take you out of this.
How many times do you want me to tell you that I am not interested? I told you I have someone I want to get married to. Like, don't you want to get it?
Where is the man? Where is he? I learned that he hasn't communicated with you for 6 months now. Let me ask you, Nature. Which man in his right senses will be careless and reckless to abandon such a beautiful... He
didn't abandon me. Yes. Even if he did, what is your business? How is it your business? Oga, I have told you I don't want to get married to you. I don't want to love you. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Why don't you get it? I want you to get out of this compound. I want you to leave. No problem. You can stay. Whenever you get tired, you leave.
Nature, wait. Well, I won't get tired, okay? Got me, baby. I love you. I'll make you my wife.
Coming! I'm coming! What? How did you find my house?
I got helped.
Frances, right?
How come you didn't tell me that you work at the club?
Do you intend to employ me?
We had an agreement.
I don't understand. You wanted to see me. Did you bother to ask yourself if I wanted to see you?
Hey, take it easy, come on. I just want us to be friends. Okay? I just want to be your friend. But if you don't want us to become friends, I'm going to take it very slowly. Okay? Till we'll click.
Me and you. You will wait till eternity. As if you're waiting somebody if I want to be his friend. Let you come close.
It's like you're going out.
Yes. I'm going for my CDS. I was getting ready before you came. It's just remaining my shoe.
Okay, I came with a cab, okay? I can drop you off and I continue with my movement. What do you think?
It's okay. Because I know if I come out now, before I'll see back, it's going to be very late. So let me just follow you. Let me join you partially. Let me just get dressed. You can see I'm trying to fit in up. Look, so you just have to wait. I'm coming, let me bring her.
If I change go back, another power go. Better things don't land here. My situation has changed for good. Who couldn't believe this? Onye fusiamo afotego, musiamo apolego, lukwalo lotego. Onye fusiamo afokwego, mukwamo apolego, tribolo mpitego.
Hi, baby girl. This life no balance at all. It's like what? I don't like going to the club. I don't like loud music. Blah 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 blah. See your hand, see the dividend. She's smiling. He practically asked me to go shopping with him. He forced you. No, he asked me. Oh. Mommy, you don't need it. What's the meaning of it? Okay, you're smiling. I'm just... Okay, alright, let's come on. Tell me. How is he? I mean the guy, do you like him? He's cool. He's a cool guy. Like when I mean cool, very cool. And I like him. Finally, our Virgin Mary has found herself a Joseph that will unbundle her. Just a spoiled brat. Where you dey go? I'm just coming back now, so I'm going inside. No, not be that one. Afa, come give me I saw. Give you what? I said gently.
If I change go back, another
Yeah, the gist sent you the OTP. You need to forward it now. Okay.
The internet guru.
Oscar.
The genius.
Oscar, what's up?
I'm good, man. We actually missed a lot, you know.
For real?
Yeah, let me come and sit here.
You kept me here, didn't you?
Come on, I'm sorry, okay? We went to the club, but it was fun. You missed out, you know.
For real?
I'm telling you.
Boom!
What's boom?
Hedge broken, access granted.
Maybe wait. Sit down. Simon, Simon, how do you do all these things? Huh? Guy, you're a genius, man.
You can say that again.
Guy, what is going on? How do you do all this? Huh? Does this mean that we stepped out? You've hacked a website?
I'm working it out, you know.
Nigga, I think we are going back to the club.
I need to sit out on this.
We need to go back to the club.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Let me quickly go up, tidy this jewelry, and I'll come back. We'll handle this together.
Crazy you. Crazy you.
Baby, let's go.
Crazy you.
Oh, come on. I think you need one of this. What do you think?
There we go. Enjoy yourself.
You know, I can actually call someone for you. The internet guru! The genius! I chop knuckle, my brother. Chop knuckle.
Enjoy.
If I change it, go back. Another power go. Better things it don't land here. My situation has changed for good. Who could believe this?
Ugu George. Ntorika. Hey! Hey! Chukwu! Hey! Simon no one. Hey! 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 Wherever you are, God will surely bless you. Simon, God will bless you. Hey! When the world thought you end up useless, you just rose up and shut their dirty mouths.
Mama, it's so you're happy.
See my hand.
Mama, what is going on?
Simon, my son sent them for me.
Simon!
I was just here and saw Onyeka with a taxi filled with all of this. And he said, Simon said, you should bring them to me.
So Simon is now reachable. Hey, Mama, did he send any message across to me?
Hey, my daughter. He did not do. Simon didn't say anything like that.
This is unlike him.
I'm sure there will be a reason for that. When he comes back to the village, he will explain better.
Okay. I have to start going. I want to check on someone.
I have food in the kitchen.
I'm not hungry. I'm fine. Papa.
Hey! Hey! Nai! Please, when you're coming inside, bring the apparatus inside. Oh! You know you are the man of the house, no? I cannot carry it. Oh! Namo! Okay, madam.
Simon sent out message to his mother without a word to me. What is going on? Or has he forgotten he left a woman in the village? I better get sure answers earlier the better.
And you said there was something you wanted us to talk about.
Yes, boss. Actually, it's about Simon. Simon has made a great stride. One that can enable you to retire giantly, if you choose to.
So what's the deal?
Okay, the deal is between two world-class football clubs for a player transfer worth over £700 million. Yeah.
Go on.
Okay. He's been able to hack into their website.
Okay.
And he has been following their activities.
So what is the challenge?
He said that he's not able to divert the funds, that the website is heavily encrypted, you know.
So?
It has proven to be a Herculean task.
So you suggest we go spiritual?
Yes, boss. We have to go spiritual because we don't have time. And the day is going to be closed very soon.